I bought some onions from an odd old man while I was walking on the street. As he said, they are magic onions, that's why I put them in the box. He said they can make you cry while you are chopping them. So, ready to watch it? Oh my god, man. Let's grab him carefully. So let's jump right to it and check if he is right or wrong. And if he was wrong, nothing's will happen. So keep watching till the end. So let's start this damn challenge. Here's the dregs. Nothing's happened till here. Oh my god, I feel something. Yep, it starts. It starts. The first tier is coming out, man. Yeah, I can feel it. I'll show my eyes from the close view when the first tier comes out. You see my eyes? They're a little become red, I think. Did you see that? Here's my first tear. You made it, guys. Here's the first tear. You see my eyes? I enjoy this position badly. Holy shit. I can't tolerate it anymore. It's gonna ruin my eyes. I won't be able to see you again, guys. See my eyes? Somebody give me some tissue. My mom's gonna kill me because I made the table so dirty. God damn it! Come on. Sore eyes, you know what I mean? Sore eyes. God, kill me! I can't see anything. Now the question is how to avoid this to happen. Now let me give you some tips about it. Recently, research has proved that chewing gum, keeping your head up during the chopping process, put a match in your mouth are 3 common ways to avoid this issue. What's your strategy for this? Here's the end of this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and turn on the notification. If you decide to watch more funny videos, I suggest you this one. See you!